beauties, it's me, Alegra. I thought I would hop on today and share some of my new favorite glass hair products. These are products that I've actually been using for about 6 months to even a year now, and I absolutely love them. But a few of you had written and asked for me to do an updated favorites, so I hadn't had a chance to update you beauties and let you know what I've been using lately, but today I'm gonna do just that. And if it's your first time here, hi, my name is Alegra Chetti. I hope you'll subscribe and stay in touch. We have tons of giveaways, fashion, fun, all kinds of good times. I am having a giveaway in today's video, so be on the lookout because this one is a good one, especially if you love glass hair and all things hair and shiny hair and beauty. You're gonna really enjoy today's giveaway, and I can't wait to show you what it is. That's gonna be a surprise. So watch the video and see what today's giveaway is and how to enter and take part. Although all my giveaways are for my subscribers, so that's tip number one. But keep watching to see how else you can enter to win today's giveaway and what it is. And I also just wanted to mention really briefly, but I haven't had any keratin treatments or any Brazilian straightening treatments, so everything that you see me use to get sleek, shiny hair is strictly from using these products. I used to get those treatments a few years back. I would say like 4 years ago. I was getting them pretty regularly, at least twice a year, I guess. At first, I loved the results. My hair was so shiny and straight, but then I had started using some really good hair care, and then it wound up being that I didn't feel like I needed to get those treatments. So once I started using, in particular, the Kerastase shampoo and conditioner, I felt like it transformed my hair and it was no longer dry and brittle, and I did not feel like I needed to get a Brazilian blowout after using the Kerastase hair products and the conditioner. So I'll have the Kerastase shampoo and conditioner that I originally used down below. Those are game changers. I was using those strictly, nothing else. They transform my hair like you cannot believe. And they got my hair to the point where it was so healthy that I didn't feel like I even needed to get Brazilian blowouts anymore. And beauties, I'm super excited because Kerastase has now come out with the Chroma Absolute line. I haven't had a chance to try it yet, but I will be back, and after using it, I'll let you know my results. I'm so excited though because so many are saying they experienced more shine to their hair, stronger hair. It also is said to prevent color fading and also reduce frizz. So I cannot wait to try this. This new formula from Kerastase is said to leave hair soft, hydrated with intense shine. So I cannot wait to use this and get back to you and let you know my results. So really and truly, the products that I'm showing you truly will give you glass hair. You might have to wait a while and work on your hair, but you can get to the point where you don't need to get those harsh treatments or those chemical treatments if you use the right hair care. So without further ado, let's just dive right into this updated list of my favorite glass hair products. So beauties, this is a product that I have been using for about a year now, and I absolutely love it. So this is the Amica Instant Shine mask. This is called Flash Instant Shine Mask. So this is amazing. And now this is very, very similar to if you have tried the L'Oreal Elvive Dream Lengths 8-Second Wonder Water. These are very similar. This you do have to leave on your hair for 1 minute. This one is actually only 8 seconds, and this one is much more affordably priced. I have used this one and I love this one too. The only difference being with these two products, they are very similar. They are water-like in texture. They give you so much shine. They're just amazing, amazing products. But this one does have UV protection. So if you're in a climate where you're out in the sun and you want to protect your hair from the sun, because protecting your hair, like I always say, using UV protection on your hair is so important. It's just as important as using UV protection on your face in terms of keeping it from getting dried out and frayed. Using a UV protection product on your hair is going to help it to stay smooth, to not get dried out, to not get frayed. So for that reason, I do love this product more. But this one is a phenomenal product. I have used it. I have loved it. I love it a lot. And yeah, so but this is the one that I've been reaching for. This is the one I've been on. This is going to be my 3rd bottle. I'm almost out of this, so I'm going to place an order. I'm going to pick up another bottle of this. So I wish I could show you this right now, actually, how it works. But it's just like water. I'll just put a little bit. It's just like water. And now it says to use it after you shampoo your hair. But I do shampoo and condition and then I use this. So also with the L'Oreal 8-Second Miracle Water, I do the same thing. I shampoo, condition, and then go in with the L'Oreal product. The same with this. They say you don't have to condition your hair beforehand, but I do. And I have previously not conditioned my hair and just shampooed and used one of these two Shine products, and I don't feel like the results are that great. So definitely the way to go is to shampoo, condition, and then use one of these. But I gotta tell you, I'm hooked on this. I seriously could not love this more. I didn't bring it with me here to show you, but because it's not technically a glass hair product, but the Amica Soul Food hair mask is also amazing. That's my favorite hair mask, but I don't use a hair mask that much currently because I felt like they were too heavy and weighing my hair down. So currently I'm just doing what I'm going to show you guys today. But if I used a hair mask at this point in time, it'd probably be once a month or something, and I just put it on the ends because my hair is on the thinner side and finer side. So but these two masks, especially this one's my favorite, is a dream, and I've been using this and I love it, love it, love it. So I couldn't wait to come and share this with you. So beauties, another product that I'm absolutely loving, that's a glass hair product that's truly transformed my hair, because I used to use a leave-in conditioner, an oil, and I think something else. And now, since using this Orbe Gold Lust Nourishing Oil, I only use this now. I don't feel like I need to use leave-in treatment. Like I said, I used to use an oil, like maybe a Moroccan oil, and then I would use a leave-in conditioner, and then I would probably use something else. But since I've started using this, this is all I need. And actually I tried the other day and mixed in a leave-in conditioner, and it was too strong and my hair got kind of sticky and not good looking. So because you want to keep it the right balance, you want to keep your hair the right balance. Too much conditioner will make it sticky, weighed down, and it won't look shiny and it won't look glass-like. So this definitely on its own, you won't even need any other products unless your hair is extremely damaged. Then you want to still use your leave-in treatments or whatever is helping to get your hair back to health. This on its own is amazing. I don't need anything else. I'm almost out. I'm going to pick up another one of these. So yeah, this is phenomenal. I love this so much. I wouldn't use this as a finishing treatment personally because it is a little bit on the heavier side. So as a finishing shine treatment, I still love, and some of you beauties were like, girl, we need new products. You can't keep us, we need more than just this. And I'm sorry, but this is still my favorite. And this is the perfect finishing mist. It's not too much. It's not too heavy, won't weigh your hair down. It gives you the perfect shine, and it has UV protection in it. And this is the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Dry Oil Anti-Frizz Hair Mist Smoothing. This is amazing. This does everything that it says right here. You guys, if you've been watching me, I've never found anything I like better than this. This is phenomenal. It's just the right amount of nourishment and shine, but it's not too much. And I just love it. I would spray it right now, but let's be on the safe side. Maybe I shouldn't. But love this, love this, love this. When I don't have it, I have to get another one because I feel like I need this. I love it so much. It's just such a phenomenal product. I actually have to try their shampoo and conditioner. So many of you beauties told me that the shampoo and conditioner from them is amazing as well. So I definitely, I gotta try the shampoo and conditioner because I know a lot of you beauties said that you love the shampoo and conditioner. So anywho, I just wanted to also share, beauties, the shampoo and conditioner that I'm using, although I'm really excited because I do have a new Kerastase shampoo and conditioner that I'm going to be trying soon, so I'll be back with that. But currently, this is the shampoo and conditioner that I'm using. I use this on the regular. I love it so much. This is the Redken Frizz Dismiss shampoo. I use the shampoo and conditioner. It's phenomenal. I've been using this for at least a year. I've gone through several bottles and it has never weighed my hair down. If you want more conditioning, if there's times when you'd like to kind of, you know, hydrate your hair a bit more, then I reach for this, and this is amazing. This is the Pureology Hydrate shampoo and conditioner. This is phenomenal. This is very expensive though, so I like to use this on the regular, and this I'll try to use like once a week because this is $40 a bottle for the shampoo and the conditioner, so it's very expensive. The Redken you can get at Ulta. They have the deluxe sizes, kind of like the salon size, and I got that for like $30, and so because the size is so big, you can kind of save like that. And this is amazing. This is amazing. So this is just amazing. I don't have any other word for it. But the Pureology is phenomenal. And it has that minty feeling to it, so it kind of gives your scalp that minty, clean feel. Oh my gosh, I actually used this today. I'm so happy because I had run out and I got another one, and I feel so good. You feel so good about yourself. So actually, I even got caught in the rain tonight. And I was thinking, you know, does my hair look that good to come and hang out with you beauties and chit chat about hair? But I feel so good about myself. The shampoo really did it, because that's all I did today. I shampooed, I used that, and I just feel so good. So, and then even though I was in the rain, my hair, I feel like it stayed good. It stayed good. You know, you guys know what I'm saying. It's good. It's really worth the money. And you know, beauties, a great thing to do to save would be to buy a more affordable shampoo. And then if you just purchase the Pureology conditioner, that's worth every penny. So you don't have to spend as much. You can always do that and mix the conditioner in with a less expensive shampoo, and you're going to get phenomenal results. So I had to recommend this. I love it that much. It's just phenomenal. So anyway, beauties, I also just have two more things I want to mention really quickly. But if you are looking to get that glass hair look after you straighten your hair, you'd be so shocked to find that if you spray a little bit of hairspray on your hair, you actually can spray it onto your brush or your comb and then comb it through your hair. It just gives you so much shine. It keeps the flyaways from, you know, popping up and causing a frayed look. So the hairspray is phenomenal. You know, don't use too much, but just use a small amount, and it totally seals or gives the appearance that your cuticle is sealed. It gives you a super shiny finish. It will keep your hair in place. So you would be really, really surprised to learn how huge hairspray is in creating that glass hair look. You wouldn't immediately think of hairspray for shiny hair, but it really does, because in my mind, hairspray, going back, I would think it's sticky. It's not, you know, I wouldn't think of it as something that would make your hair shiny, but it really does, because it reflects the light, keeps the cuticle smooth, so it gives that appearance of glass hair. So just put a little bit on your brush. Even some people spray it on their hand, and then you just kind of, you know, because you don't want to use too much, and then smooth the cuticle down, and your hair is gonna look phenomenal. I'm using this one currently from Kenra, but the Redken ones are phenomenal as well. And there's so many good hairsprays out there, but currently I am using a Redken hairspray and this one. So I'll get back to you on if I switch up and use different hairsprays in the future. But finally, beauties, I just wanted to mention this to you because I think this is huge. It's so good. It's just so good. And you know, my hair is not straight. My hair is kind of wavy and curly and all kinds of kinky things. You know, it's like, it's not straight. But this gets my hair straight in seconds. It's phenomenal. It's amazing. It's my cheese straightener, and I do have the rose gold one, and this really gets your hair straight in minutes. It's amazing. And I also do use a heat protectant. I use the Way heat protectant before I use this. Sometimes I don't, to be honest, I forget, but this is amazing. It really straightens your hair super fast. And I feel like it's not damaging to your hair. You won't see smoke coming up. You know, you won't see your hair smoking, you know, like it's on fire. It just instantaneously, I do have a little video that I made when I first got this, and I've had this for like 3 years. I'll try to insert that video because I have had this for a while. And that video is, I really didn't show, it was just like a TikTok video, but it really, my hair was really that curly, and it really straightened my hair out that fast. I didn't do anything else. I didn't use a blow dryer or any other products. I just started, you know, going through my hair really quickly. I don't do it a lot of times. You don't need a lot of passes through to get it that straight with this Chi hair straightener. Although I do use a comb at the same time, kind of, to comb after. If you guys want to see in a video, I will definitely come back and show you. And then, beauties, finally, here is today's giveaway. Can we talk about how cute this is? This is the Chi x Barbie On The Go Travel Kit, and you're getting a Chi blow dryer, pink with the kind of turquoise nozzle to it, and you're also getting the Chi Barbie hair straightener, plus this really adorable kind of bowling bag that you can keep it in and travel with and take it with you on the go. So this is for today's giveaway. Please, I'm having so many giveaways now, so don't forget to be a subscriber, like today's video, stay active. Also, some of you know already, comment #GlamFam. That's the secret. If you didn't know it already, that's the secret. Comment #GlamFam and you will be entered to win this amazing hair care travel kit from Chetti and Barbie. It's limited edition. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If you love pink, if you love hair care, if you need a straightener, this is the one. The Chetti straighteners are everything, truly. So I couldn't wait to share this with you beauties for today's giveaway. So thank you beauties so much for stopping by and checking out my updated favorite glass hair products. Let me know if you've tried any of these yourself. Let me know if you'd like a hair tutorial, how I actually straighten my hair to kind of, because it's not straight. It's not this straight, it's curly, it's kinky, like I said. So let me know if you'd like a tutorial, how I get my hair straight like this. Very easy, just the Chetti hair straightener and a comb. So it's very easy and you can definitely do it on your own, at home. This is all at home. I never have been to a salon and I don't even know how long I haven't been to a hair salon. I haven't had a haircut. I haven't had anything in a very, very long time, at least probably 4 years, 3 years, 4 years. So yeah, this is, you know, it's homegrown. So I know it's not perfect, but you know, it's fine. But anyway, beauties, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Let me know what you think of today's video. Let me know what you think of today's giveaway. And I hope you like it. I hope you want to take part. So anyway, dolls, I'll let you go. Thank you again so much for coming and spending time with me. And I will see you very soon. Bye. Love you.